Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here for a surprise unboxing video. Now the reason it's a surprise unboxing is because I don't know what it is. Now I have two packages for you tonight. Right, one is from Paradise Fibers and the other is from Evergreen Yarn Studios. Now, this is the one from Evergreen Yarn Studios, and I'm excited about this one because I won a yarn giveaway, so I'm excited to see what the yarn is and share it with you. And as far as the Paradise Fibers package goes, if you haven't heard, Paradise Fibers had a fire at their building at the end of February, and they lost a lot of inventory. So the fiber arts community has come together and really wanted to support them and donate. So I bought some fiber that I was told wouldn't get here for another month or so, but that was totally fine with me. But I also am part of their fiber subscription program, so this could be that. I don't really know what it is, but it is a big package. I weighed it, it's over 2 pounds, so I'm excited to see what's in here. And if you want to help out Paradise Fibers, I will leave my affiliate link in the comments below. So you can head on over there and purchase stuff from them to help them get back on their feet. So we're going to start with the Paradise Fibers package. Really should have gotten scissors for this. I am seeing lots and lots of fiber. Ooh. This is the Paradise Fiber. There's Pieces of Paradise Lender's Delight. So that's going to be lots of fun. And I can already tell I'm going to have lots of fun. There is 2 pounds of fiber in here. And there's lots of colors. They did assure me that we're not going to be sending out any fiber that had been impacted by smoke, so that's great. And I am pleased to report that it smells exactly like dyed merino wool. So yes, it smells exactly like wool. So it looks like there are a lot of blends in here, and I will have to go through it at a later date. But yes, there are 2 pounds of fiber in here, and I'm really looking forward to going through it and making lots of fun art yarn with it. And once again, if you want to help out Paradise Fibers and this channel, I will leave my affiliate link in the description below and in the comments below. Right, so next up we have the yarn from the yarn giveaway, and I'm really excited to see it in person. She did let me choose the yarn base and the colorway that I wanted. So that is something I'm really looking forward to. I forgot to mention one of the things I won was a project bag. This is from Bags by April. Oh, and it's got lots of space in it for yarn and fiber, and it seems very, very sturdy. And there's space for different yarn and knickknacks and projects, and I've actually been needing something like this for a while because I'm always going around with different projects in my backpack, and now I could just go around with a project bag. Alright. So, and these are the yarns that I picked out, and they are way prettier and brighter and more gorgeous than they were on the website. Ooh. There's also this. Alright. Congratulations. Thank you for entering my giveaway. I hope you love your yarn and your project bag. I love Bridget. Thank you. And then there's this little thing. Oh, she sent a bunch of yarn stickers along with care instruction. And for the yarn, I'm going to have to add these cute yarn stickers to the back of my laptop, which is where I store all my stickers. I think they'll go really well, don't you? These are the two colorways I chose because I'm a little bit nuts. I love color. The thing I was thinking about doing is using them to make another Find Your Fade. I've already made one Find Your Fade. The first Find Your Fade I made gradually blended from Kelly green to bright pink, so it required a lot of yarn. And the thing with Find Your Fades is they require 7 different skeins of yarn, so they can be quite costly. I picked these out to be part of the Find Your Fade, and I'm also going to include this skein of yarn in the Find Your Fade, and this skein of yarn in the Find Your Fade, and then I'm not sure what the other 4 are going, and then I'm not sure what the other 3 are going to be yet, but let me know in the comments below what you think of these, and how you think I should lay out these colors. Should I have it blended from this one to this one to this one? I'm thinking having this one on one end, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, but we'll see. We'll see. So here are some of the color combinations I am considering for the Find Your Fade. Please let me know in the comments below which ones you like best, or if you have any other ideas for how I should lay out the colors. I'm really excited about this project because I just love adding color to any outfit. Color makes me happy. If you want to see more unboxing videos, here is the playlist up here. I hope you have a great night, and I will see you again soon. Take care.